Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm going to do another pick a card reading about past, present, future of your connection. So today we will see past, present, future of your connection. Then as usual we have two piles here. One is red heart and another is yellow heart. You can choose any one of them whichever Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading, past, present, future of this connection. So we will see today past, present, future of your connection. Then we have two piles here as usual. We have red heart and we have yellow heart. So whichever heart you are intuitively attracted to, you can select the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video. You can meditate and select the pile. Then let's start the reading. But before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers, subscribers, whoever constantly following my channel. Thanks a lot. Then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. If you want personal reading, my details are given below in the description. You can contact me through email. Then usually I respond back very fast. Within 24 hours I'll respond. Then after that you will receive the reading. Then that's all. And I do, most of them are pick a card readings, and also these are timeless. So whenever you see the readings, it may resonate with you according to the time and situation. So if you like to have any different kind of reading, please post in the comment box, and I love to read all your comments. And please also let me know if my readings are resonating with you. And if they are not resonating, then you can choose the another pile, or you can see my another readings. If at all my readings are not resonating at all, there are many channels in YouTube, you can go and see. Okay, that's all I have for you. So let's start the reading. Okay, so we will start with pile number 1. Whoever chose the red heart, so this reading is for you. Let's start past, present, future of this connection. So I will pull 3 cards for past, 3 cards for future, present and future. Okay, so we will also take the guidance card from Sacred Indian Tarot, and also we will see the messages from your person. Okay, let's start. All the best. Pile number 1. Let's see. Angels and archangels, spirit guides, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Whoever chose this red heart, what is happening in their life and where this connection is headed to. Please let us know past, present, future of this connection. Please let us know, give us some clarity. Past, present, future of this connection. Past, present, future of this connection. Past, present, future of this connection. Okay. For past, present, future. We will also pull one guidance card now itself and keep it ready. Guidance card for pile number 1. Guidance card for pile number 1. Okay, we will see guidance card later. So that's all I have for shuffling and taking the cards. Let's see the past first. Okay, so we have 9 of Cups, High Priestess and the Chariot. Okay, hope you can see the cards. We have 9 of Cups, then High Priestess and the Chariot. Okay, so in the past when you met each other, okay, in this connection, I feel that you both were in a very good position, and you both were single, enjoying your singlehood. Okay, whoever is seeing this, whoever chose this pile number 1, so I can see you and your person were very much enjoying your single life. Okay, and when you met, there were a lot of secrets because High Priestess is there, so there are a lot of secrets, deception. So most probably you both didn't have any confession, love confession. Both of you, maybe I can feel that because of the High Priestess, feel that you never spoke to each other openly, or never, nobody told each other I love you or something like that. Then also the Chariot card shows that there was some movement, then after some time it is stuck now. Okay, and after that you started concentrating on yourself. Even both cards shows the same, that 9 of Cups and the 7 of this Chariot card also. So both of them shows the same thing, that you started concentrating on yourself. Okay, then it didn't reach to any stage of your life. Okay, so this initial stages of love that kept like that only. So no, now this the stage is like, you can't say this is a crush also, you can't say this is friendship, or you can't say that this is we are lovers, or you can't say that we are in relationships. It is everything mixed, and you and your person both are in dilemma. What is happening in this connection? What kind of a connection is this? You can't name this connection. That kind of a situation was there in the past. Okay, let's see the present now. Okay, so right now what happened is, I strongly feel here, I forgot to tell you the signs here. I can strongly see Virgo, I can see strongly. Then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces I can see. Then I can see Cancer. Okay, then I can see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and very few of you might have the fire signs like Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so these are all the signs I can see here. Then King of Swords. King of Swords means I strongly feel you are dealing with a divorced person, or you are divorced. Okay, so King of Swords always represents that the person you are dealing with, he is divorced. Okay, he's not as single as you thought in the past position. 9 of Cups is there, so that person was enjoying the singlehood. So that means that this person was divorced. Okay, at the moment, that means in the past, with the 9 of Cups we can see that this person was separated, and at the moment, at the present, he got divorced. Recently this person got divorced. Maybe you are aware, or maybe you are not, I don't know. And you both are not in communication. I can clearly see with the High Priestess, I can say that you both are not in communication right now. Then 5 of Swords means, again it is you both have the ego clashes. You both are not talking to each other, and you both are standing for yourself. Okay, this 7 of Wands also, it is not a very good energy. You both are struggling, actually both are struggling, both are having that pain, that you both are not talking, both are missing each other. 5 of Swords also is there. Both are missing each other, but you are not letting your guards down, and you are not moving ahead, moving forward to say the other person how you are feeling. So I can feel here both of you are very strong personalities, and maybe you both are in a very good position in your life. Maybe you are well settled, so maybe you both are having a lot of money, then lot of status in the society, because king, so king means always it is very stable, like everything is set for you. You no need to struggle for anything, not about money, not about anything, not about food, or not about anything. So you have by God's grace, you both have everything in your life, but the only thing you don't have is love. Okay, So this person is definitely struggling in the I can see like this person is standing alone. Even right now also this person is alone. So maybe because of the divorce, maybe this person is having some financial losses or something like that, and this person is like very tired of this. Okay, Seven of Wands says that this person is tired of battles, tired of fighting, but still he is standing, but still he is trying to stand on his own. Okay, these three cards clearly shows that this person is not in a very good position right now at the present moment. Even your love connection I can see, so it is not in a right position. So you both don't know where it is headed to. So where it is going, you both don't know. Okay, so you both are not expressing your feelings, and not only expressing, you both are not addressing to what is happening in your life. You both are not able to see, both are not able to address your love towards each other. You have lot of love towards each other, but because cups card is there, Nine of Cups. Okay, but you both are not expressing to each other. Okay, you have now everything you are hiding. Okay, nothing, only swords I can see, wands I can see. Swords means always arguing, fighting, battling. So now this is a silent war. Okay, telepathically you might be communicating with each other, but you are having the silent war between each other. Okay, so you both are ready to fight, but not for this connection, because you yourself, you don't know what is happening in your life. So you both are stuck, you both don't know what to do, but you both are like alone, single, and you both are struggling hard how to do, what to do. Okay, now let's see the future of this connection. Ace of Cups and Queen of Wands and the Seven of Swords. Okay, so in this connection, definitely there will be you both want actually a new beginning. Okay, because Ace of Cups is there, so you definitely want to have a new beginning and lot of love towards each other. The cup is overflowing with emotions. Okay, you both have lot to say, lot to tell each other, but you both are like acting like players. Okay, trust issues, you both have definitely strong trust issues. Even in the future also you have the trust issues, but the thing is your attraction and the passion towards each other, it is dominating. Queen of Wands. Okay, in the same spread we are getting the King of Swords and Queen of Wands. Okay, you both are meant to be together because king and queen are meant to be together. So even though you have trust issues, you will be together in the sense not very soon, but there is a high potential to be together because Queen of Wands is there. So this love life, whatever the love connection that you have, it is definitely have the scope of getting to next level. Okay, so queen means everything is fulfilling, so no need of getting scared of anything. There is no lack, so everything will be happening in a positive way and you will come back into your power. So only thing is you have to come out of this player energy or trust issues. You should be out of this trust issues. For that, what you have to do is you have to sit and talk with each other. You have to start like concentrating on each other more than getting ideas from others. Seven of Swords also says that there are many people there who are interfering in your connection. So many people are giving their own opinions towards each other. Maybe they are saying something to your person, and maybe somebody, maybe mutual friends or somebody, they are interfering in your connection. That is not at all good for this connection. So you have to avoid all these things. Instead of that, both of you sit together, talk, then you can have some solution for this. And also I can see that this wands and this Ace of Cups, I can see that there is a definitely a new start, new beginning of this connection is like ahead. Like maybe very soon you will have this new beginning in this connection. And Ace of Cups means within a month you might hear from this person, maybe a call or a text or any message, any kind of communication you might see. Maybe it's, some mutual friends, they will give you some message, you will definitely hear from this person. Okay, this connection is again will have a new beginning. This is not the end of this connection, so definitely this connection will have a new beginning. So let's see one guidance card. Okay, so again this High Priestess only came, so that means guidance also the same, that you should come out of this secrets and this deceitful ideas. Again the High Priestess is a Virgo card. Virgo is like strongly there in your charts. Okay, then you might be dealing with the Virgo. Okay, so this says that you should come out of this, you both should be open actually, don't keep any secrets in this relationship. So High Priestess also says you are very intellectual and very spiritual also, and sometimes it says that somebody else is interfering in this connection, some old lady. Okay, somebody is there in your life or his life, that old person who are very influential in your life, maybe elder to you or maybe elder to him, his mother or your mother, his sister or your sister. Somebody is interfering in this connection and they are having a strong control on this connection. So universe is saying you have to get rid of that, you have to overcome that interference, and you have to take your own decision of this connection. Okay, so you both have to take the responsibility of this connection, not one single person can take it. Okay, let's see the messages from your person. Already one came. It was my fault but I blamed you. Okay, it was my fault but I blamed you. Let's see. So let's pull some more cards. Cards are jumping, friends. My love for you is unconditional. My love for you is unconditional. Let's pull one more. Okay, are you happy without me? So sweet. So this person is asking, are you happy without me? Okay, so these are the messages from your person. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. So let's see pile number 2. Let's keep them back. Okay, whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for you. So let's see what is happening in your connection. Past, present, future of this connection. Past, present, future of this connection. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please guide us, please. Give us some guidance, please. Give us some clarity. What is happening in this connection? Past, present, future of this connection. Past, present, future of this connection. What is happening in this connection? Past, present, future of this connection. So we don't want so many cards. Past, present, future of this connection. Past, present, future of this connection. Again, the same cards are falling down. Past, present, future of this connection. Past, present, future of this connection. This is for past. This is for present. This is for future. We will also see the guidance also. Please angels, give us one guidance card. Please give us some guidance card. Please give us some guidance card. Please give us some guidance card. For pile number 2. For pile number 2, please give us some guidance card. Okay, we will see this guidance card later. I'll keep it there. So let's start the reading for pile number 2. Let's see the past cards. Lovers, not lovers actually, 2 of cups. then the Star, Queen of Cups. Okay. Okay, just like pile number one, you both are partners. In the past, I can see that you both have lot of hope in this connection. You both are, first of all, let me tell you the signs here. I can strongly see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and also I can see the Aquarius card. The Star card means Aquarius. So in the past, you both had a very good connection, and you both felt each other as partners, then soulmates. Okay, because I can see the infinity symbol in the Two of Cups. So you both were feeling like soulmates to each other. You had a lot of energy exchange, emotions exchange, and you both had a hope. You both had seen each other as a bright star. You both had a lot of hope on this connection, and strongly I feel that here one of you are a single mom or single dad here, divorced. Okay, single mom or single dad, because Queen of Cups is there. I can see children also there. So Queen of Cup is ready to offer her love to other, okay, other soulmate. Okay, because of that. So very positive past you had actually. Okay, very positive, pure love towards each other. So I can feel some of you are already, you know, this person from childhood, maybe your classmate or college mate or colleague, because it is not a new connection for so many of you. So it is already, you know, this person. Because of that only this partnership is coming, like Two of Cups is like sharing each other the feelings and energies. Okay, so past is so good actually, very positive. In the past you both had a very nice time together. Then now let's see the present. Okay, present, we have here the Hierophant, the Fool, and Seven of Wands. Okay, Seven of Wands means Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then Taurus is very strong here. The Fool card means again the fixed signs, Taurus, Aquarius, then Scorpio, Leo. Okay, these are all the fixed signs. So strongly I feel here Aquarius and Taurus. So maybe you both are, one of you are Aquarius and one of you are Hierophant. So at the moment you have the problems with marriage. Okay, so you both are at the present, you both want to take a leap of faith, the Fool. You are fighting for this connection. Both of you are working hard equally. So Seven of Wands means you are struggling, you are tired of fightings, but still you want to stand up, you want to give this connection another chance. Okay, so you are standing strong even though you are tired. You are standing strong, and you want to face it actually. Both of you are working on this connection. Okay, nobody is giving up on this connection. Okay, so the Fool, so both of you or one of you, you want to take a risk in this connection. So you don't know what will happen in the future, but still you are not able to leave this connection, or not able to let go of this connection. So at the present time you both are looking for marriage, the Hierophant. I can see both of you, one is I think feminine is a single mom, and the Hierophant means a little bit age difference is there. This person is also single, maybe a divorced person, but very intellectual, very like priest kind of a person who everybody comes to for guidance towards him. So this Hierophant card also indicates marriage. So you both are looking for marriage, and there is some struggle in marriage. Maybe you both are not of same caste, or maybe family is not agreeing, or maybe because a single mom or single dad, because of that what society will think. You both are thinking like how to move ahead, how to go ahead with this connection. Okay, so present at the moment you both are thinking in this way. Okay, so but past was very hopeful and very nice, and present also you are past you, it was like illusion, dream, or exchanging emotions, energies. But the present is you are coming to reality. Okay, so earlier you both had lovely feelings and shared lot of emotions and all, but the present moment you are coming to reality, how it will fulfill, like how to give it a name. Okay, you are struggling for that, how to give it a name for this connection. You both are struggling. So hope you can see the cards. The Hierophant is there. Okay. Yeah, so now you both are thinking like this is action actually. So at the moment you both are planning and want to take some action regarding marriage. Okay, this connection definitely will go towards marriage. Then let's see the outcome. Okay, outcome will clarify. Page of Wands, then Nine of Pentacles and Strength. Okay, so Page of Wands means again it is a lot of stalking. Then maybe you both are stalking each other in social media, a lot of passion towards each other, lot of attraction, lot of sexual feelings, lot of desires actually. So there is some message will come from this person, or okay, for there is some progress in this connection. So you can see here Nine of Pentacles. So in the future you will overcome with the financial problems. Okay, so maybe earlier in the past you had the problems with the money. So when you want to think about marriage, you had a problem with financial, because a single mom is there. So the masculine might be thinking of to work hard. Maybe this person went outside, out of country to earn money. Okay, so in other words, you both are will concentrate on your health, then your money, finance, and like yourself. You will you want to make yourself ready for the marriage with the Hierophant card. So at the moment you are planning for the marriage. So in future also this is the outcome. With the Strength card you both will be strong, standing together. Nine is very prominent here, so Nine of Pentacles. So that means you will come out of the financial crisis that you are feeling, that you are fearing for. Okay, then the Strength also says that you are soulmates, because the infinity symbol is there on the lady's head. So that means you might be dealing with Leo also here. So you will keep lot of strength and you will work for this connection, and there will be a news. Hopefully that is a good news for this connection, because Page of Wands is there. This is lot of passion, sexual energy. So this you will hear a very positive news about this connection, and also you will have a very good financial abundance, okay, in future. So you both of you will be standing strong towards this connection, and you will both work to go towards this connection. Okay, so Judgment card. So that means there is definitely a reconciliation if you are apart from this person. So if you are not in communication with this person, reconciliation will happen. Because of that only Page of Wands card also is there. Some message will come from this person. You both will definitely reconcile. Judgment is coming from the universe. So definitely you both will reconcile, and you will plan for this connection, how to go ahead. The Hierophant is there, so definitely you both are planning for the marriage. You don't want to leave each other, because you had this strong bonding, strong connection. So there is a soulmate connection in this reading. So definitely you both will be together, but in future you will be planning for that, how to go ahead. And universe is giving you assurance that you will reconcile with the Judgment card. Let's see the messages from your person. There is so much I want to say to you. Okay, so this person want to say so many things to you, because maybe you both are not talking to each other. I want to kiss you. What else you want, friends? This person is missing you a lot because of the Page of Wands. A lot of passion, lot of sexual energy is there. So this person is missing you. We are fine and things will get better soon. So this person is saying we are fine and things will get better soon. I couldn't let you get close to me. So, in the past, maybe because of a single mom or a divorce problem or age difference or caste or religion difference, some problem is there. So, this person could not get you close to him. So, that is what this person is saying. So, I wanted only three cards, but many cards are popping up. Even one more card is came upright. Okay, so heart to heart conversation. So definitely this person want to have a heart to heart conversation. So pile number 2, you got 5 messages from your person. That means this person definitely want to say so many things to you. Hope you like this reading. If you like the reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 2. So see you next in another reading. Until then, bye.